In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Salesforce. If you spend long hours in Salesforce, a dark interface can reduce eye strain and make screens easier to read, especially in low light. We'll do this using a Chrome browser extension from the Chrome Web Store. I'll guide you through finding and installing the extension, turning dark mode on in Salesforce, and then turning it off again so you can switch back to light mode whenever you need. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Chrome Web Extension or Chrome Web Store, then press Enter. You're looking for the official Chrome Web Store result. Click into the store, which is where you can safely browse and install extensions for Chrome. Using Google first is helpful because it gets you to the official store quickly, avoids lookalike sites, and ensures you install from a trusted source. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search field at the top to type Salesforce Dark Theme. You should see results specifically designed to apply a dark theme to Salesforce pages. Click on the extensions listing to open its details. Take a moment to review the description, screenshots, and user reviews so you understand what it changes and whether it meets your needs. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. If Chrome shows a brief permissions prompt, read it and proceed if it looks correct for a theme extension. After installation, you'll typically see the extensions icon near the top right of the browser, next to the address bar, which is where you'll control the theme. Now navigate to your Salesforce page. You'll see it in the default light theme. To enable dark mode, open the extensions menu near the top of your browser and select the dark theme extension you just installed. Most of these provide a simple switch or toggle. Turn the dark theme on for Salesforce. Some extensions let you apply dark mode to every site, while others target Salesforce automatically. If there's a specific toggle for Salesforce or a button labeled Enable or On, click that. After enabling it, refresh your Salesforce page to apply the change. You can refresh by clicking the reload icon or using a shortcut like Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. After the page reloads, you should see Salesforce switch to darker tones. Backgrounds will be charcoal or black, while text and icons should adjust for readability. If anything looks slightly off on first load, refresh once more to allow all components to restyle. Keep in mind that appearance can vary slightly depending on the extension you chose and any customizations in your Salesforce org. Open the app launcher to confirm that menus, search, and tiles also respect the dark theme. This quick check helps you see how the theme applies to navigation elements and common pages you use every day. If it looks good here, you're set for most of your regular workflows. If you want to deactivate dark mode, repeat the same process in the extension area. Open the extension and turn the dark theme off, then refresh your Salesforce page again. When the extension is disabled, Salesforce returns to its standard light interface. This is handy when you need to capture screenshots in the default look or if you're presenting to an audience that expects the classic light styling. You'll notice the colors switch back immediately after the refresh, and your icons and text will return to their original look. For a quick verification, open the app launcher one more time to make sure navigation components are also back in light mode. That's it. You searched the Chrome Web Store, installed a Salesforce dark theme extension, enabled it to get a comfortable dark interface, and then turned it off to return to light mode. Remember, extensions are third-party tools, so follow your organization's policies if you're on a managed device. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working in Salesforce with a look that suits your eyes and your workspace.